Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at an app called Waveful. If you've been hearing about it, it's basically a newer social media platform that focuses on creators and community engagement, kind of like a mix between TikTok and Instagram, but with more emphasis on supporting creators directly. When you open Waveful, the first thing you'll notice is that the feed is really clean and easy to scroll through. You can post photos, short videos, and interact through comments, reactions, and something called waves, which is similar to likes. What stands out is how Waveful tries to be more positive and community-focused compared to some other platforms. And a lot of users say the atmosphere is less toxic and more encouraging. One of the biggest selling points of Waveful is that it tries to help creators grow faster. New accounts have better chances of getting seen, and the platform rewards engagement without needing millions of followers. This makes it appealing if you're just starting out and want your content to reach real people instead of getting buried. Waveful also features creative programs that allow users to earn rewards based on their activity and audience engagement. Now, this isn't guaranteed income and it's not going to replace a job or instantly pay big money, but it can be a nice bonus if you're consistent and build a community. On the downside, Waveful is still a growing app, which means the user base is smaller than Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat. You might not get as much exposure right away depending on your niche. Also, since it's newer, expect occasional bugs or updates that change features from time to time, but that's normal with platforms still developing. So overall, Waveful can be a great place if you're looking for new audiences, want a fresh community vibe, or you're a creator who feels overlooked on bigger platforms. It's easy to use, supportive, and growing. Just remember that, like any platform, your success depends on being active and consistent. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you want me to review other upcoming apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.